katanungan ka sa Diyos. Maybe nagtatampo ka sa Diyos. Ano mang kalagayan meron ka, nangangailangan ka ng himala ng kagalingan. Just lift up your hands towards heaven as we sing this song. Panginoon, minamahal kita. Let's sing this song. Panginoong Jesus, buhay kumay. Ano mo mga buhay na hindi po namin ipagkakailangan. Here we are, Lord. Use us for the glory of your name. Use us, Lord, to preach the good news to our kababayan, to our family, to our employers, sa aming mga kaibigan. Use our lives, Lord. Buhay kumay. Hindi nga niya yung pinagkait ang buhay niya. Binigay niya ng dahil sa pagmamahal sa iyo at sa akin. Natin ang buhay natin ito ay maging kagamit-gamit, maging kapakinabangan sa kaharian ng ating Diyos. Maybe some of you are in need of physical healing, whatever sickness and diseases, you are the beneficiary of the cross of Calvary. You are the beneficiary of what Jesus has done on the cross of Calvary. that is sick. The Lord is touching that sick body right now. Put your right hand on the part of your body that is sick. And believe by faith that by the stripe of Jesus, you are healed. Declare it, by the stripe of Jesus, I am healed. I am completely healed. Even your loved ones, even if they are in the Philippines right now, lift up your right hand towards heaven as an extension of God's hand to heal. And mention the name of that person who is sick. And believe that the Lord is touching that person right now. Healing is flowing. Because our God is not limited by distance, or by time, or by space. And in one accord, Father God, we are praying. Lord, kay Henry Surata, could you please join me in praying for Henry Surata? He is now in ICU. Sige po, kalapagin po natin ang trono ng biyaya ng Diyos. Lord, inilalapit po namin ang anak mo ito. Lay your hands, Father God, sa mga hospital siya